it's me, Maddie, and today I'm going to be showing you guys actually my second fluffy slime I made. Let's kind of keep it fluff. Right. Yeah, it is really hard. You know what? Okay. Well, I made one that went all over my book bag. It was sad. Trust me. So, look at this one. I just look. Okay, I'm back. Hello, guys. Okay. So, as you can see, this is a slime. Well, I love it. I don't know about you guys, but like, ah. Okay, so I want to say thank you guys. Thank you guys for everything. Thank you guys for subscribing. But I really want more subscribers. So yeah, I just added some more shaving cream. You can add any shaving cream if you want. So yeah, can you see back here? Yeah, that's good. So if you guys think this is boring, but like, oh. Okay, so I got my phone right now. Can you guys see? Let's see if you guys phone right now. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm
Kids, I mean, this is pretty unfair. You look like a little girl.
I cannot wait to kick your butts.
I cannot wait to kick your butt.
You two teams will have 12 minutes, but to try and make it fair, the yellow team will only get half the time.
Oh, come on. That's not fair.
The winning team will
So
not
cute.
have to cook in this next challenge. But if they win, both teams will have to make
So yeah, so that was ours. I got a new light, by the way. Oh my gosh, you guys get those there. I got a new light. And yeah. Yeah, I got these things, guys. I don't know if you guys like it. Hold on. Can you like... What the heck is wrong with this? Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, guys. Over here. Yeah. Okay, so so yeah, pieces, guys. Channel, hit the sub button, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye. Oh yeah, and today I'm celebrating because today is my end of my math state test. But I have one more state test to do is a science. But I want you all guys to appreciate the outside. Hold on. Bye guys.